Shri Krishna Govinda Madhavaya Shri Radharamana Madhusudanaya Shri Krishna Govinda Madhavaya Shri Radharamana Madhusudanaya. The work of a man who is unattached to the modes of material nature and who is fully situated in transcendental knowledge merges entirely into transcendence. Shri Krishna Govinda Madhavaya. A person who is fully absorbed in Krishna consciousness is sure to attain the spiritual kingdom because of his full contribution to spiritual activities in which the consummation is absolute and that which is offered is of the same spiritual nature. Some yogis perfectly worship the demigods by offering different sacrifices to them, and some of them offer sacrifices in the fire of the Supreme Brahmana. Shri Krishna Govinda Madhavaya Shri Radharamana Madhusudanaya. Some sacrifice the hearing process and the senses in the fire of mental control, and others sacrifice the object of the senses in the fire of the senses. Shri Krishna Govinda Madhavaya. Others who are interested in achieving self-realization through control of the mind and senses offer the functions of all the senses and of the life breath as oblations into the fire of the control mind. Having accepted a strict watch some become enlightened by sacrificing their processions, and others by performing severe austerities, by practicing the yoga of eightfold mysticism, or by studying the Vedas to advance in transcendental knowledge. Sri Krishna Govinda Madhavaya. Still others who are inclined to the process of breath restraint to remain in trance, practice by offering the movement of the outgoing breath into the incoming, and the incoming breath into the outgoing, and thus at last remain in trance, stopping all breathing. Others curtailing the eating process offer the outgoing breath into itself as a sacrifice. All these performers who know the meaning of sacrifice become cleansed of sinful reactions, and having tasted the nectar of results of sacrifices, they advance toward the supreme eternal atmosphere. O best of the Kuru dynasty, without sacrifice one can never live happily on this planet or in this life. What then of the next? All these different types of sacrifice are approved by the Vedas, and all of them are born of different types of work. Knowing them as such, you will become liberated. O chastiser of the enemy, the sacrifice performed in knowledge is better than the mere sacrifice of material possessions. After all ocean of Prita, all sacrifices of work culminate in a transcendental knowledge. Just try to learn the truth by approaching as a spiritual master. Inquire from him submissively and render service unto him. The self-realized souls can impart knowledge unto you because they have seen the truth. Having obtained real knowledge from a self-realized soul, you will never fall again into such illusion. For by this knowledge you will see that all living beings are but part of the Supreme, or in other words, that they are mine. Even if I are considered to be the most sinful of all sinners, when you are situated in the boat of transcendental knowledge, you will be able to cross over the ocean of miseries. Sri Krishna Govinda Madhavaya. As if plastic fire turns firewood to ashes, O Arjuna, so does the fire of knowledge burn to ashes all reactions to material activities. In this world there is nothing so sublime and pure as transcendental knowledge. Such knowledge is the mature fruit of all mysticism, and one who has become accomplished in the practice of devotional service enjoys this knowledge within himself in a due course of time. A faithful man who is dedicated to transcendental knowledge and who subdues his senses is eligible to achieve such knowledge, and having achieved it, he quickly attains the supreme spiritual peace. Sri Krishna Govinda Madhavaya. Sri Radha Ramana Madhusudana मधुसूदनाय श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द माधवाय श्रीराधारमण 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 मधुसूदनाय श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द माधवाय श्रीरा